All right. Hey, TechHeart rock stars. I wanted to share a disc with y'all tonight. It's a Commodore 64 disc. What can I say? If we read it, it says the Commodore 64 demonstration program by Technicom Marketing. Technicom Marketing, from what I can tell, released a lot of software around 82 to 85, mostly on cassette, but some on disc. Let's flip over here and we'll start to load the program. This particular program loads like 4 different sections of it. So if you load star.8 and then push run, it loads demo.guts 1, then it loads demo.c000, and then demo 13 blah blah blah, and it takes about a minute to get jamming. But once it goes through that, I'll go off screen and we can enjoy this bad boy, and it's really fun. A computer store would enter its name and price that they were selling a C64 for, hook it up to their audio system, and let it run all day. So people could see what the Commodore 64 had over that Apple II. They could also let it wait for keyboard input. However, let's sit back and enjoy, and I hope you guys dig it too. All right. Don't you love waiting for that Commodore software? Still waiting. Is this a dang joke? Get some Jiffy Dogs. Good Lord. We'll enter techheart.life. Why not? Wait a minute. And then it goes on to repeat, guys. I love that thing, man. I wanted to share it with y'all. This is just a quick one. And I couldn't find the Technicom software anywhere on the internet. Not on csdb.dk, not on archive.org. But I did upload this to archive.org. So if you want to grab a copy to run on your hardware or emulator, come on and get some. It was fun hanging out with y'all, man. Peace.